Top ways to monetize your YouTube channel in 2025. YouTube remains one of the most powerful platforms for creators worldwide to build an audience and earn money. As we move into 2025, the opportunities to monetize your channel are growing, but so is the competition. To stand out and maximize your earnings, it's essential to understand the best and latest monetization methods available. Here's a comprehensive guide to the top ways to monetize your YouTube channel in 2025. 1. Join the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. The YouTube Partner Program is the most straightforward and widely used method to earn money. To be eligible, your channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months. Once accepted, you can start earning revenue from ads shown on your videos. The more views and engagement you get, the higher your earnings. Tips for success. Create high-quality, engaging videos that keep viewers watching longer. Encourage viewers to subscribe and interact with your content. Follow YouTube's community guidelines to avoid demonetization. 2. Enable channel memberships. Channel memberships allow your loyal subscribers to pay a monthly fee in exchange for perks such as custom badges, emojis, and exclusive members-only content. This feature helps you build a steady income and a tight-knit community. 3. Use Super Chat and Super Stickers during live streams. Live streaming is a great way to connect with your audience in real time. During live streams, viewers can purchase Super Chats or Super Stickers to highlight their messages, making your streams interactive and profitable. 4. Leverage affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services relevant to your niche in your videos and descriptions. When viewers purchase through your affiliate links, you earn a commission. This can be a lucrative passive income stream beyond ad revenue. 5. Partner with brands for sponsorships. As your channel grows, brands may approach you to feature their products or services. Sponsored videos or product placements can bring in significant income, especially if you have a niche audience that aligns with the brand's target market. 6. Sell merchandise via the merchandise shelf. YouTube allows eligible creators to sell branded merchandise directly from their channel page. Selling custom t-shirts, mugs, or accessories helps diversify your income and promotes your personal brand. 7. Utilize crowdfunding platforms. Platforms like Patreon and Ko-Fi allow your fans to support you financially through monthly subscriptions or one-time donations. Offering exclusive perks or behind-the-scenes content can incentivize fans to contribute. 8. Create and sell digital products. Consider creating digital products such as ebooks, courses, presets, or templates related to your channel's niche. Promote these products through your videos to generate additional revenue. 9. Optimize your videos for SEO. Good SEO practices help your videos rank higher in search results, increasing views and revenue potential. Use relevant keywords in titles, descriptions, and tags. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and organizing content into playlists. Conclusion. Monetizing your YouTube channel in 2025 requires combining multiple strategies and consistently delivering value to your audience. Diversify your income sources and keep building your community organically. With patience, dedication, and the right approach, you can turn your passion for content creation into a sustainable and profitable career.